Alright, you guys, I made it into Five Below, so a little bit of Halloween creeping in. Maybe Halloween pants and top, pajamas. They have the pumpkin, and you could find your skull one. Some masks. These are like skull masks, black and white, and these, I wonder, yeah, that one's gonna glow in the dark.
Want this dinosaur thing?
They have white makeup. You need some blood for 3. Here's the Charlie Brown top with the great pumpkin. Let's see, let me bring this one out. They have a Ghostbusters. Then the Simpsons. Okay. That's kind of cool. You want a Jack one? They have it. What is this one? Oh, like Cuphead kind of? I don't know. It's a different print. The Ouija board top. And you know what? They have Alice in Wonderland. I don't want to unfold them because they're a pain to fold back. A few wigs. Just a few. Some over the knee socks. Scary doll one. Shark and dinosaur. Little nightmare beanie. Trick or treat. Hello pumpkin. Home sweet haunted home. These are $5 for the steak yard. Let me find out. These are $5. So it says hello pumpkin. And then happy fall. And trick or treat. Let me turn him around. Oh look, he's like a vampire. It's kind of funny. And a few signs, like wall art, they don't light up or anything. Actually, they do light up. There's like a little battery for it. These are $5. And it looks like maybe only the skeleton one. Well, that's kind of cool. They light up. This Boo one. Oh, look. They have the pumpkin and bat. One little foam pumpkin at the bottom. A strobe light. And then spider web. A little glitter wreath. And those trees are $5. You used to be able to find that in Target Dollar Spot. You can't find it anymore. So here's a little sign. Looks like makeup up in here. Wet and Wild. Glitter. They have your eyelashes. And of course they have candy. Airheads. Oh, look at the jar head. I mean Warheads jar head. They're like body parts. And they're sour. Your pumpkins. And check this one out. It's like a little poster one. You have a nightmare in here. Oh, it's a calendar. Okay. Look at that cool calendar. That's really neat. And they do have a few new posters. What is that? Oh, for your phone? Okay. And then here's the Jack. Candy with the straws. Want to make a gingerbread house. These come with the eyeballs. Kind of cool. They have the bats and skulls. The little ghost. These are $4. I like that. I think there might be more up front. Bloody candles. They're all black. They have the bats to decorate. They're $1.50. So if you can't find it in Target Dollar Spot, you could come to Five Below. Little glow stuff. Open daily pumpkin patch. You had me at pumpkin spice and a few wreaths. And some totes in here. Look at this one. The Sanderson sisters. That one's different. And they do have a Beetlejuice one. And then more Ghostbusters in here. One little yoga guy. And the glass Mercury pumpkins, they're $5. Also have your stacking pumpkins. For a room, they have gamer, they have green and neon blue. And then some squishmallows are $5.55. What is this one? Is that like a pumpkin? Or, I don't know. Her name's Judy. Maybe a peach. And they have an owl one. My college journal. Puppy portrait. Let's see. Bake Up, a child cookbook for children. Healing crystals. And the vegan one is still here. Tasty adulting, self-care. I feel like a lot of these books stay the same for a while.
Yeah.
And then they put like a new one in there to mix it up.
All the drawing ones are gone.
Well, there's this one over here. The manga.
Oh, it's fair.
I've been seeing this book around everywhere I go. I feel like this is becoming like a new... I mean, it's always been around, but now I feel like it's becoming more like a trend. Has anybody noticed that? That everywhere I go, I find one. And it looks like everything else might be the same. They have this one too. I believe those rugs are new. Stackable. Oh, you get 4 in here. The Moonlight is still here. You have Busy and Goals. It's a mirror with hooks, okay. Beanies, you know what, from far away they look like they could be like the UGG ones. Just needs to say UGG right here in the corner. And on top, these are 5. And new slippers. Beanies with gloves for little children. You have the owl. And I don't see anything too new that we haven't seen already. And the sport bras, athletic wear. See, these pajama pants are new. Look at these tops. They're really, really thin. I honestly feel like after maybe 1 or 2 washes, the feel of it feels like it would just fall apart. And the sweatpants in the top. Coconut body oil. These are 5. And then a lot of spa stuff. Oh yeah, my Five Below, every now and then you get new items. And then it stays the same until we get into like a holiday season. Alright you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one.